Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fillet steak. Start by taking your fillet steak out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before cooking. This allows it to reach room temperature, ensuring a more even cook. Next, pat the steak completely dry with paper towels. Moisture on the surface will prevent a proper sear. Finally, season both sides generously with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. These simple steps are crucial for a delicious result. Now let's get that beautiful crust. Place a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron, over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned fillet steak into the hot pan. Sear for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, allowing a rich, deep brown crust to develop. This initial sear locks in the juices and flavor. After searing, you have a couple of options to finish cooking. You can transfer the pan to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired doneness. Alternatively, reduce the heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary. Baste the steak continuously for another 2 to 4 minutes. Always use a meat thermometer for precision. The final, and arguably most important, step is resting. Once your steak reaches your desired internal temperature, remove it from the pan and let it rest on a cutting board for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender and flavorful steak. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked fillet against the grain and serve immediately with your preferred accompaniments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.